already have a 6 and a boundary to his name. And it goes flash. That's his typical shot and carries all the way. 6. And this 6 is brought to you by Wood Edge. A good start on account of Skid Stars Budgam. And again, Don creates room, and that's gone all the way, just behind those fencing scenes. And once again, this 6 is brought to you by Wood Edge and House of Wealth and AD concluded. There will be a brand, and here comes down the track. That's typical Adil Guldan. Normally you won't see him just charging down the track, but on that moment, just got it right onto the blade and make it travel and sail all over. 6. One of these two, especially Adil Guldan through. And Don goes big. That's going. That's gone. That's traveling all the way straight down the dia, and that's gone for 6. And you're allowing these batters to have the complete freedom again. Go, and gone. That's one more Wood Edge, House Wealth, and AD cap 6 from the 6th man of Avantipura. He's Don and is donning the stage. Now, smasher. And again, flashes hard, carries all the way, waiting for the signal. Yes, it's back to back. It's AD caps, it's Wood Edge, it's House of Wealth 6 again. No plans at all. And Don, he flashes. That's carried. That's humongous. That's one more Wood Edge, House of Wealth and AD cap 6, and he gets into the 90s now. And he is looking absolutely on a song and is letting his Eagle Sports bat sing songs melodious. Hunting him, but he is very difficult to hunt. It's Don. And Don! Go! Gone and gone for 6 again. Just too short. What would be a brilliant century? 98 not out. This is another Wood Edge 6 from the blade of Adil Guldan. They are in 70s and 80s, but no one converting it. And finally Don becomes the first one. Flashes hard. Gone. 6. Another one. This one just creating a bit of a room, and he's just bending his knee and making for that. One more edges here in Hasanpura. Waits for Ghazi again. Comes in. And again he goes. A bit squarer. That's gone even further. The fielder will be just watching and finding the ball back. This is another Wood Edge and House of Wealth. Unstoppable from this man. And again, he goes over long off. That's gone traveling all the way. This is a country mile. The ball is lost. The ball is lost. It's 3-3 now.
तो इनको रोकना मेरे ख्याल से यहाँ पे अब नामुमकिन है, क्योंकि अपनी शतकीय पारी वो खेल चुके हैं। लगातार 4 गेंदों पे शायद ये चौथा छक्का लग सकता है। खिलाड़ी गेंद के पीछे और कैच ड्रॉप और गेंद सीमा रेखा से बाहर। एक और छक्का। 4 गेंदों पे 4 छक्के और आग उगलता हुआ यहाँ पर आदिल गुलडान का बल्ला।
He's supremo. He's maestro. He's a master of hitting those 6s. Waits again. Gone. This time over. Whitish third man makes it number 5 of the over. 1 ball to go. It's already 34 from the 5 balls. This is some carnage mode from the carnage batter. Here's Adil Guldan for you.